In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Snapchat Spotlight and make it go viral. First things first, you'll need to open Google Chrome and navigate to the Snapchat website. You can do this by typing in the URL https://web.snapchat.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log in to your Snapchat account to start the process. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you're going to want to look at the left sidebar. Here is where you'll find the Spotlight tab. Simply click on it. Spotlight is Snapchat's platform for trending short videos. Think of it as Snapchat's answer to popular short-form video content where creativity takes center stage. It's an exciting place because you never know what new trend or creative video might capture the audience and get you noticed. With that in mind, let's create and upload your video. Look for the option that says plus new post and click it. Now, this is your moment to shine as you prepare to upload your video. Remember, for the best results, make sure your video is vertical and under 60 seconds or 1 minute long. Fun and engaging content is always the key here, so think about what will catch someone's eye in that short time span. Not only that, but visuals paired with catchy captions and trending sounds can really boost the engagement factor of your video, so take a moment to craft something memorable. Before hitting that post button, you're going to want to make sure you've set your post to be submitted to Spotlight. This step is crucial if you want Snapchat to consider featuring your video. By selecting Submit to Spotlight, you're giving your video the opportunity to be seen by a wider audience, which is exactly what we're aiming for. Now, once your video is up in the Spotlight, it's all about letting it grow. The key here is simple. The more people that watch, like, and share your content, the more likely it is that Snapchat will take notice and potentially pay you for the engagement. Yes, that's right. Snapchat has a system in place where they reward content that performs well, so make sure your video is something people will love and want to engage with. If your video manages to go viral, Snapchat will notify you in the Earnings tab. So keep an eye on those notifications because you'll want to know if and when that happens. All payments are processed through Snapchat Creator Rewards, either linking to your PayPal or directly to your bank account. It's a pretty seamless process once you've set everything up. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to getting your content onto Snapchat Spotlight, increasing your views, and potentially earning from your creative efforts. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what amazing videos you come up with.